Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can simply remove a user in Jira. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Jira and then just click here on project settings. And when you're going to click on project settings, you're going to see people here. And here you're going to see the role or someone. And you can simply click here on remove. Won't be able to work on this project anymore. Yes, remove. And this is how you can simply remove user in Jira. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah,